Hello, Miss, anong pangalan mo? Pangalan?
Jazz.
Ha?
Jazz.
Jazz, ikaw?
Anika.
Ha?
Anika.
Anika. Okay, so taga saan kayo?
California.
California? Talaga? Really? Ikaw?
Valenzuela.
Valenzuela. Okay, so meron akong challenge sa inyo. Pagka nasagot nyo, mananalo kayo ng 5,000. Okay, so... okay, so... ito yung... question. Naglag ang ating cellphone. Matagal na ba kayo dito sa Philippines? Okay, so ang question is ano natin? Medyo madali. Okay, alright, ready na kayo? Okay, so pakibasa yung question.
Where? Oh. How many days did God take to create the world?
Louder please.
How many days did God take to create the world?
Okay, so what is your answer? Are you a Catholic?
Christian.
Christian?
Other choices?
You have
Go.
17 seconds to answer. What is the answer?
7.
What? How many?
7.
7. Let's try 7. Oh, it's wrong answer. You may try again.
You try.
Okay, so what's the answer? What do you think is the correct answer?
You answered, somebody answered.
Sorry, you did not get the correct answer.
Nazareth. I
So,
thought it was 7
would you like to
because there's
try
7.
another question?
Go. Okay.
Okay. Here. Pakibasa.
Where was Jesus born? Bethlehem. Bethlehem.
What?
It's either Nazareth or Bethlehem. I think it's Bethlehem.
Bethlehem. Okay, let's try Bethlehem. Oh, very good. You got the correct answer. So you win 5,000 pesos. Wait a minute. Okay, so your hand please.
Is it drugged?
1,
Is the money
2,
drugged?
3, 4, 5. Okay, so are you okay? So meron pa ba kayo? May babatiin o pasasalamatan?
I thank my vacation Bible school for helping me learn this education about Jesus and being religious since day 1.
How about you?
What was the
Say
question?
hi to your friends.
Hi, Mika and Joss.
Okay, so that's all guys. So thank you very much. And what's your name again?
Jazz.
Jazz and Anika in Calabit, Manila. So what's up? Thank you.
Natatakot sila kasi ang common notion nila is matatapang. Pero, mabait naman sila. Oo, malambing, ganon. Pero hyper lang. Katulad nito.
Pwede ko pang hawakan? Hindi pa ako kakainin mo.
Hindi. Yan. Good dog.
Makakain, okay. So ayun lang. So may gusto ka bang batiin? May gusto kang batiin?
Batiin, of course, yung family ko. Ayan, sila Mama Beth, and then yung mga brothers ko, and then yung mga tita ko from the US. Hello po.
Okay, so maraming salamat. Anong mawali pangalan?
Rufa Medalya po.
Okay, si Miss Rupa. So pangalan si Miss Rupa sa Calabit Park. Watch out.
Watch out. Grabe, hindi naman ako handa dun.
Oh my God! Don't 我来了，张大喜，我来了。